All right, let's dive into something pretty incredible today. We're talking about how you can build a powerful AI employee for your business and get this, without being some kind of coding genius. That's right, we're making some seriously sophisticated AI chatbots with zero code.
I mean, just imagine that for a second. An assistant that's on the clock 24/7, fielding customer questions, grabbing new leads, and it never ever calls in sick. What if building something that powerful was as easy as, say, putting together a presentation? Well, guess what? It is. Let's see how.
So, how is this even possible? Well, the key is platforms like ChatSimple. They're part of this amazing wave of no-code tools that are built for people like us, entrepreneurs, marketers, business owners, not just the super techie developers. These are the tools that turn that big what if into a simple here's how. Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. Every great assistant needs to be smart, right? They need to know their stuff, and your AI chatbot is absolutely no different. So the very first step is to build its brain, to give it all the information it needs to be actually genuinely helpful. The magic behind all this is something called training data. And hey, don't let that technical sounding name fool you. It's really simple. It's just all the information you feed the chatbot. Think of it like all the handbooks and notes you'd give a brand new employee on their first day. And you know what? The actual process is ridiculously simple. It's literally just 3 steps. First, you gather up all the info about your business. Second, you upload it. And third, you hit launch. That's it. Your chatbot is now trained and ready to get to work. And what's really cool is how flexible this is. You can train your AI on pretty much anything. You can just give it your website's URL, you can upload entire PDFs, Word docs, you name it. You can even just copy and paste text right into it. The more you give it, the smarter it gets. Simple as that.
Okay, so having a smart assistant is one thing, but having one with personality, oh, that is a total game changer. This isn't just about spitting out answers. It's about making sure your brand's unique vibe comes through in every single conversation. And just look at the level of control you have here. You can tweak its appearance so it perfectly matches your brand's colors and style. You get to decide on its behavior. You want it to be super formal and professional? Done. Or maybe more friendly and witty. You can do that too. You can even give it a name. And maybe most importantly, you can wire your business goals right into it with things like calls to action. Book a demo now. So you really have to start thinking about it this way. You're not just adding a tool. You are literally onboarding a new member of your team, a digital one, that perfectly reflects your brand and stays 100% focused on your goals 24/7. Now, a smart chatbot with a great personality is fantastic, for sure. But if you want to turn it into an absolute powerhouse for your business, it needs to be plugged into everything else you're already doing. It has to become part of your workflow. Look, let's be real for a second. Any decent chatbot out there can hold a basic conversation. It can answer a few questions, maybe point someone in the right direction. That's table stakes. But an integrated chatbot, oh, that's a whole different ballgame. When your AI can actually talk to your other business systems, it stops being a simple Q&A bot and starts actively pushing your business forward. This, right here, is where the real magic happens. Think about it. You can hook it up with Facebook Messenger to chat with customers right there on social media. You can connect it to your CRM system so any new leads it finds get captured automatically. You can track every conversation, manage all your contacts, and even see your ROI, all in one place. It's a game changer. Okay, let's just pause here for a moment. You've basically just learned how to build, train, customize, and integrate a powerful AI assistant from scratch. That's huge for your own business. But a skill this valuable, what if it was bigger than just that? What if this skill could be your business? Yep, you heard me. You can launch your own agency. Think about it. Every single business out there needs this, but most have no idea where to even start. The skill you just learned is in crazy high demand, and you can turn it into a real deal business. Your very own AI automation agency. I mean, just look at the difference in scale here. For your own business, you build one chatbot to help your customers. But as an agency, you take that exact same skill and you build many chatbots for lots of different clients. You go from being a user of the tech to a provider of a super high-value service. So what would you even sell? Well, here's your menu, right here. You could offer one-time services to create and set up a chatbot. You could charge a monthly fee for ongoing support and customization.
You could even find freelance jobs on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. You're not just doing a one-off project, you're building a real business with real recurring revenue.
So really, it all comes down to this one question. You've got the skills, the tools are right there, and there are literally thousands of businesses that need exactly what you can do. Your first client is out there waiting for you to reach out. So, who's it going to be?